Hi friends! Today we're going on a jungle safari adventure. We're going to count from 80 all the way to 90 together. We'll start at 80 each time, so get ready to count and roar with excitement. Let's count to 80. Starting at 80, 80. Great job! Let's count to 81. Starting at 80, 80, 81. Amazing work! Let's count to 82. Starting at 80, 80, 81, 82. You're doing awesome! Let's count to 83. Starting at 80, 80, 81, 82, 83. Keep going! Let's count to 84. Starting at 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Fantastic counting! Let's count to 85. Starting at 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Great focus! Let's count to 86. Starting at 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. You're doing amazing! Let's count to 87, starting at 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. Wonderful work! Let's count to 88, starting at 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. That's perfect! Let's count to 89, starting at 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Amazing job! Let's count to 90, starting at 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Yay! You did it! Wow, that was awesome! You counted all the way from 80 to 90 through the jungle. You're such a great explorer. Keep practicing and you'll be a number master in no time.